Family, my nuclear family and relatives family. Diagram family. I would like to tell you about my family. My parents are married and have two children. My name is Rizke and I am the second child in my family. I'm married to my husband Permadi, and we have a 2-year-old son named is Kaifan, and also have an older brother named Budi. He is married to Linda, and they have two daughters named Lulu and Lula. Lulu is 7 years old and Lula is 5 years old. We are happy family who love and support each other. Family, my parents are married and have two children. I am Rizke, the second child. I am married and my husband's name is Permadi. We have a 2-year-old son named Kaifan. I also have one older brother named Budi. Budi is married to his wife Linda and they have two daughters. Their first child is Lulu, who is 7 years old, and their second child is Lula, who is 5 years old. That is my intimate family. Thank you.